Open Google Chrome and navigate to GitHub link given in the description. Click on Code and then on Copy button. Right-click on Desktop and open Terminal. Type git clone and paste the copied URL and press Enter. It clones the GitHub repo. As you can see, repo is cloned on desktop. Go to Manage Extensions window and click on Load Unpacked. Select the folder where you cloned the repo and click on Select Folder. As you can see, extension is installed successfully. Close all tabs and just open linkedin.com. Search HR and click on People. Now pin and start extension as shown in video. As you can see, LinkedIn AutoConnect extension is sending connection request to all people.